Good afternoon. It is time for another Nicole Solage blog on the go. I am actually currently running errands and it is 2:40 in the afternoon. Usually I like to get up early and get the gym out of the way before I start my day, because I find that if I don't actually go to the gym and get it out of the way, then the whole day goes by and I'm in front of the computer and I'm blogging and I'm researching and doing articles and doing what I normally do, and then the whole day goes by and then I didn't do something for me. So even though it's 2:30 in the afternoon right now, I said, you know what, I'm going to stop everything. I'm going to run my errands and get my butt to the gym. It's very important when you work from home to find that time for yourself, because A, you have the luxury of having all day to schedule for yourself, and if you don't schedule some time to, do some things for yourself, you end up not doing them. So, take care of your health and your inner self first, and then go home and get to work. Have a good day.